Hi, it's Pete from the Relighting Company. We've been called out by the owner of this house as the pool level just keeps dropping, so we've come out to see if we can fix the problem.
There's definitely a leak because it's not holding pressure. Let's get the camera in the pipes and see if we can find any issues.
There's a crack on one of the bends. We're going to apply an epoxy coating to the inner walls of the pipe. Before we do that, we need to use high-speed sanding panels to prepare the line. Okay, the job's done. We've just applied 3 coats of epoxy to seal the cracked pipe. As you can see, no digging, all done in one day. Pool's ready to be used.